How to check Roblox server time. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you can tap open Roblox application or launch a preferred browser to search for roblox.com. Make sure you are up to date for your Roblox account. Now over here to check on your server, firstly launch the game where you want to check the server off. For the sake of this video, I'll be playing one of the games that I have been playing recently. Over here, check out the servers list. Then, you can join the server that you created by yourself or just select other server by tapping on the join button. In here to check out your server, firstly, you need to press on the F9 button, which will initiate the developer mode, where you will find timestamps of the server from where it has been going on. You can check out the recent to the most outdated one. By that calculation, you will know how long has the server has been running on. However, here's the catch. This feature is only available if you are the creator of the private server. If you have just joined in as a member, you will not be able to do so in another server. However, you can type in the chat box regarding the server time, and if the creator checks for himself or herself, it can communicate via the chat box. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.